guys! Hi everybody! Welcome back to my channel. Ayan, so today's video we're going to visit this the last exit. Ayan. So update ko kayo mamaya guys kung ano ang looks during winter time. Alright, I have my buddies here. Leo, say hi! And this is Abud. Alright, update you guys later. Bye! They have American hospital. This is new. It's a clinic. So yeah. Guys, it's very nice. Look. It's good for photo shoot actually. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. If you fall, I will catch you. I'll be waiting. Time after time. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. If you fall, I will catch you, I'll be waiting. Time after time. Grabe ang lights. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. If you fall, I will catch you, I'll be waiting. Time after time. So Leo, what do you think?
This is a cool place.
It's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, there's a turtle down.
Where is it?
Here.
A big one?
People are just listening.
Ah, okay. Oh my god, you should come here guys. It's actually very beautiful. Even the tree, they put lots of lights in it. Ayan, so winter ang among mga outfit, no? If you're lost, you can look and you will find me. It's really cool. There's lots of shops here. There is this clothing shops. There is the shoe shops. Wow, amazing. Oh wow, there's even a Starbucks. My Starbucks, there is Starbucks. Look at these trees. See guys, there's a Starbucks. So for those who do not know, again guys, I think you should try to visit this place again, even if you have visited this place before, but now it's totally changed. Lots of coffee shops, lots of restaurants. Oh, wow. No, it's actually wait. Product.
Oh, bird. Yeah. So it's fixed. It's fixed.
I don't know what to say, I don't know what to say, I don't know what to do. Colors all around, but I don't see anything.
Why? Street cat. You want it, Leo? Oy. Oh, Leo. Ah, is she? Are you pregnant?
Yes, yes.
Oh, wow.
I didn't even know. There's 6 nipples.
Oh, you can see it?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
That's how you
So,
tell
what can you say, Leo? Meow. What can you say, Leo? Meow. You missed it. Again. Go. Well done, Tico. Let's go have food. Let's eat.
Five minutes later.
So yan guys, we're looking for food. Ayan, so far, see, as you can see at the back, there is ice cream. And this one is barbecue, is it?
Yes.
I think this is, yeah, barbecue stations. So, I don't know what Paul likes. We are going to see, see pa more. So this is it. Oh, smell like barbecue. Smell like barbecue because it's barbecue. Okay. Well, we don't like the barbecue, so we're going to find something else, which is, as my husband said, there is rice something. It's rice garden, guys. We're going to that place, rice garden. Hi, can we see the menu? Thank you so much. Ah, wow, yummy. It's rice. Paul, it's rice. It's rice.
5 minutes later.
So ayan guys, we're waiting for our food. What did you order, Leo? It's raining. What did you order, Leo?
A hot dog on fries.
Hot dog and fries. And how about you, Abudi?
Burger and fries.
Ayan guys, ready na ilang food. Sa mali umataw eh. Naalagay akong pilok. Problema na sa pilok, hinampak. Wait. So ilang food guys, ready na ako. Ang food, wapa. Gigusla na ko. So ayan guys, no, ganyan lang kaliit. Ang mga... Wow, looks yummy, Leo. Leo is having...
Fries
and hot dog. Okay. Yeah, steak on fries. And small Pepsi. And this is Leo one.
Thank you.
Oh, wow. It's yummy.
Oh, look at mine. They're super cute.
And this is your...
burger.
Oh wait, that one's mine.
Oh, that's...
Oh, yeah.
It's wrong number.
Look
Ayan, this is... he wants a spicy one.
No, there is no spicy.
Jalapenos, do you have some spices?
You want to add this one that
Yes, please. Yeah, thank you.
Look how cheesy. So tiny.
Wow, they're tiny, but there are 2 of those. Yummy. Okay, enjoy.
Look at these cheese.
Are you okay?
Is it yummy? Can I try some?
Okay.
Ah.
Thank you, Master.
Ayan. Leo, how's your food? Di mo naman kinain.
This is rice in the bag.
Yeah, I put it in the bag. So, ayan guys, update ko kami mamaya kung ano pang ganap. Okay?
Yuki Nutella.
Okay. Ayan, they have the Yuki no Hana. It's kind of like sweet. Ayan guys, we are here in the mall. They're opening around, ayan, so 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Okay? So let's see what is inside. So there is this sports. Yeah? This black clover. It's all about hat. A gym. D1 Milano. What is that? So watches. Giant guys here. See? Ayan. So it's big sale up to 60% off. So I think it's better to come here to buy some groceries or vegetables. Yeah, the tomato, they're on sale and stuff, and they look fresh compared to others. Ayan. So drop the price. Even this one, I think I'll buy the oranges. I'll buy oranges now. And they even have here, look, their avocado, and the arrangement is very nicely done, and the fruits are looking very fresh. So I think it's very good to come here and visit and do some shopping, grocery shopping, any shoppings that you like. See there, it's not that much. So they also have bakery there. So ayan guys, thank you so much for watching. Ayan. So ayan guys, tapos na kami sa aming laag-laag around sa the Last Exit, and it was nice and pleasant. Bye. Say bye-bye, Leo.
Have a nice day.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.